here to do Project 14 Smartboard instruction for EDM 310. First, I want to show you how to turn on the Smartboard. There's a button here at the bottom right-hand side, and you just press it, and the Smartboard will come on. All right, once you have your Smartboard on, you're going to press the two buttons here in the center, and this will allow you to calibrate your page. You'll want to press each button that's highlighted. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to put text onto the screen, and you'll do that by pressing the A button, and then you'll get fonts here that you can set, and we'll just pick that font and what it's set at, and then you'll draw a box, and then there's a keyboard button here at the bottom in the center, and you'll press that and the keyboard will come up, and then you'll type in whatever you want it to say. Okay, and then once you do that, you can close your keyboard. Then you can manipulate your text however you want to. If you want to spin it around, move it, or whatever you want to do, you have that option. So that's how you would do that, and then when you're ready to delete it, you would delete it. And you can close that, and that's all on the text. When working with objects, there's an object button, and you can go over here to images, and there's a photo, so you know it's a gallery of pictures, and you can select an image. Say you want an orange, and you just put your fingers on it and drag it over. And then you can do many things, just like you did with your text. So with your orange, you'll get my orange page. Make that up. Never mind. Okay. You had to press this little arrow down here to work with your image. I'm going to make multiple images, and to do that, I'm going to do an infinite cloner. And then once I press the infinite cloner button or tab, then I can just drag as many oranges as I want to on the board. So if you're working with math and you want to do an addition problem, you can say if I have this plate of oranges and I want another one, that would be 2. I want another one, that would be 3. I want another one, that would be 4, 5, 6. So then when I'm finished with this illustration, to get rid of it, I'll make sure that arrow is pressed, and I can just drag all the way across and delete whatever I put in the box. I can delete them all. Sitting, pressing the arrow down, and hitting delete. I want to get rid of the rest. My box. I want to turn off my infinite cloner, and then I want to delete that image, and that would be my final image. Now, you can also, if you have a problem like this and you want to hide feedback, let's say I want to teach again about a lesson on oranges, and let's say I have written something down that I don't want the kids to see. Let's just say you have 1 and you cut it in half. That would give you 2. And if I don't want them to see that too, I can go to the shapes, which is a square and a circle, and I can drag a heart and put a heart over it. And then they could not see the answer. So then you would hide objects, and if you want to reveal it later, you again press the arrow, and then you delete your heart, and that would tell them you have 1, 2. So that is how you would do that. Then I can erase anything I draw with the pen. I can erase using the eraser. When I get it highlighted, and that would erase that. And then I want to go back and delete my oranges, down arrow, delete. And so that's how you would hide something if you want to save it and reveal it later. Okay, now we're going to look at using multimedia objects with the Smartboard. And to do that, I'm going to go over here and minimize my Smartboard. I'm going to close that. And I'm going to go to Google Chrome. And I'm going to just go to to the keyboard again, and I'm gonna type in what I want. And I want plants, because I'm gonna do a lesson on plants. And, that's what I want, images. I'm gonna close this. And let's say I want an image of this, because we wanna talk in our lesson on plants about all of these things that you can find in a plant. So, I might even walk out one, because that's cute and kid-friendly. Because this will be a basic lesson. So to get this image onto my Smartboard, there's a tab up here called Smart Ink. And I'm gonna press that, and there's a thing called Capture. So we're gonna capture it. So now it's captured it, and it automatically puts it onto my Smartboard. So now I can move it, I can make it smaller, I can work with it however I want to. And now I have my image, and we can talk about all these things. And once again, you can probably use some of your tools if you want to, like from before, if you want to hide some of the words. The image to block some of that and have the kids guess what they are. Or if you want to go in and have it where you can write text over it, make it a text box so the kids can write. You can also, write on this image if you need to. I'm just going to show you how it draws. You can draw your own little thing, or you can draw your own arrows as you're talking and stuff like that. You can talk about the sun and how it's rays, shine on the plant, whatever pertains to your lesson that you want to illustrate through the Smartboard, you can pretty much do that. So I'm going to erase. Use my eraser and my eraser tab down here to erase what I've written. And then I'm going to delete as my children guess. If they guess this, what do you guess? I'm going to see what everybody guesses, and then I'll reveal the answer by deleting that. And so there we go. Now we're back, and they can read all the parts. And that's how you transfer something from Google Multimedia into your Smartboard lesson. Okay, and we're just going to delete that. And I have another one up here that got on here. And we'll delete. So you can go in and delete these. And it's just bringing all that back. So anyway, we'll delete all that. It's best to I don't know why this keeps asking me that, but I'll have to say that's one of the problems that I've had with this Smartboard. Not liking it a whole lot when it asked me that question. There, now it's finished. And that is the illustration on using a Smartboard for Project 14. Thank you.